In the competitive world of e-commerce, showcasing your products effectively can make or break your dropship store. Today, we'll explore how to create engaging product descriptions and stunning images that convert visitors into loyal customers. A well-written product description does more than list features. It tells a story that resonates with your audience. First, understand your audience. Who are they? What do they need? Knowing your audience is like having a map for a journey. It guides your writing and ensures your message hits the mark. Customers care about how your product will benefit them. Highlight how it can make their life easier or better. Use storytelling to create an emotional connection. Describe experiences your product can offer. Engage the senses. Use descriptive language that evokes sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. Avoid jargon and complex sentences. Aim for clarity to guide customers without confusing them. Optimize for SEO, but avoid keyword stuffing. Balance is key. High-quality images are often the first thing customers notice. They can significantly influence buying decisions. Blurry images can turn customers away. Use high-resolution images to showcase your product clearly. Provide a comprehensive view by showing your product from various angles. Show the product in use. Contextual photos help customers visualize how the product fits into their lives. Consistency creates a uniform look for your store. Use natural lighting and clean backgrounds. Use close-ups to showcase unique features that set your product apart. Lifestyle images evoke a certain mood or style, helping customers aspire to the lifestyle your product promotes. When descriptions and images work together, they create a compelling and persuasive story. Ensure your descriptions and images align. Consistency enhances the customer experience. Add captions and callouts to draw attention to important features. Mobile optimization is a must these days, as many customers shop on mobile devices. Ensure your descriptions and images are optimized for mobile. Regularly test and tweak your product presentations based on performance data. Let's look at how Glamour Gadgets transformed their store with engaging descriptions and high-quality images. They rewrote descriptions to focus on benefits and storytelling. They invested in high-resolution images that showed products in various contexts. They standardized lighting and backgrounds for a professional look. They ensured everything was mobile-friendly for a better user experience. Within 3 months, their conversion rates increased significantly, and customer engagement improved. If you choose to use AppScenic, you can automate your product descriptions and images with our new AI tools. With just a few clicks, our AI can help you create compelling product titles and descriptions while improving product images effortlessly. Crafting engaging product descriptions and stunning images is both an art and a science. Understand your audience, be creative, and commit to quality. By doing so, you can create a dropship store that not only attracts visitors, but converts them into loyal customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more dropshipping tips.